the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Cryptomeo Analysis coming at you with an update video on Dogelon Mars. So let's get right into it. So a lot of people are probably like, well, Bitcoin's breaking, Bitcoin just broke $70,000. Why isn't Dogelon Mars going up? And I'm here to tell you that it's not just Dogelon Mars, and that these rotations and cycles, they come and they go. So like right now, not like, for example, let's look at Dogecoin, right? So just because Bitcoin is pumping doesn't mean that Dogecoin is pumping, right? Just because, and let's look at Shiba Inu. So just because Bitcoin's pumping doesn't mean that Shiba Inu is pumping. It's actually down 9.5% on the 7-day, and then ELON is down 8% on the 7-day. So it's actually, less percentage down, but it's important to know that, some people do get impatient and they're like, well, why, there are other coins that are pumping, blah, blah. One day utility coins will get their chance, and then it'll rotate to swaps, and then it'll rotate to meme coins. So not everything goes up at once, and just keep that in mind. So let's kind of look at the stock RSI and the RSI and just see where everything is from yesterday, from yesterday's update video. So now we are max bearish on the stock RSI. So again, once we curl back up, as long as hopefully we consolidate here, then we can make a move up and actually validate this small little uptrend we're keeping. Even though we do have a uptrend forming here, so just keep that in mind. From the high to the low, we're still at the 20, so we're literally at it. You can see we're at it. So I want to say that we're still micro bullish as long as we stay over 20. But if we hit resistance, if we hit support, the next area of support is going to be around 19. And then keep in mind that if this RSI comes back down here, and if we have another major sell-off, then most likely the price is going to come back down here and retest the 16s. And from there, what that's going to do is probably going to do this, something like this, followed by the next move up. And then hopefully we move up from there, and we're still maintaining this uptrend. And at that point, that's where the 0.5 to 0.7 target is going to get hit, because we're going to have a bigger move up. So again, there's definitely room to fall. So keep that in mind. So 16, what is that? That is around a 17% drop from where the price is at right now. So, if you're trying to dollar cost average down, like me, I am going to buy it in the red if it actually goes down that low. And if it doesn't, then good, because I already have my bag. It's really important to not FOMO in when it's going up. And overall, look, we're literally maintaining this uptrend. Keep in mind, this has done this around 3 times at this point. Like I mentioned before in my other videos, we had this followed by a breakdown. We had this followed by a breakdown, and then now we're kind of forming the same thing where we have this. Do I think it's going to? No, it's not. But just keep in mind we are forming the same pattern. So as long as this basically goes up and next leg's up, then we should be fine. So I don't even want to worry about that right now until we get under 16. Once we get under 16, then we can reassess. Let's look at the Etherscan. So you want to go here, chain explorer, just see if there's any sort of changes or anything like that. I don't think so, but again, we got to check this every single day to see where the money is at. So, Binance Pec still holding 13.1 trillion. Nothing has changed there. Gemini, this was just less, but now it's more. So this was a couple days ago. This was wallet number 13, and now it's number 12. So Gemini is moving up. They are loading up on Dogelon Mars, so that's good. Let's look at the burn wallet, because they do have a burn wallet. It is still at 66, so it's still holding around 1 trillion, valued at 202,000. We did lose some holders, but it's okay. I'm sure they'll be back when we start pumping. One last thing I wanted to show was the liquidity. Look at the liquidity on this bad boy. Dogelon Mars liquidity with pairing with wrapped Ethereum is 15.6 million. USDC pairing liquidity is 4.9 million. ELON wrapped Ethereum 202,000. ELON with wrapped Ethereum. This is V3 Uniswap V3, and this is Uniswap V3. USDC pairing, and this is wrapped Ethereum. This is V2. So you can see all the information here. $10 million here, another $2.5 million here. So it's really, and it's all locked. So this is super important to note that, look, it's literally locked. 15.6 burned, 99%. Total locked liquidity, 99.97%. And then let's look at the other pairings. So this one, so this liquidity is also locked, obviously. So yeah, I mean, again, if for people that don't know what liquidity is, Google it. But it's really important to get into a market that's very liquid. You can easily pull out your funds, and also when big whales put in a lot of money, it doesn't impact the price that much. So people really like that because it's a good place to store your money. You want to be liquid. You don't want to have no liquidity. So it's really important to know that. And you know, basically, I just want to make an update video today. I took a quick break to make this video. I didn't want to. I usually make my videos in the morning, but I couldn't because I was busy. So yeah, that's all I got for you today. Hopefully, the next update will be in the 3s and then followed by the 4s, and we could actually start being really bullish with Dogelon Mars. And I know I say that every single video, and eventually it'll happen, so we just got to be patient and wait. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support. Remember, you can now become a member of the channel and help support the channel grow. Otherwise, you can just like, subscribe, and comment, and that works too. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in the next video.